Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be seeing daily technical analysis in gold. We will be doing our analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we will be sharing you the trend and the support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. Please use these levels as a reference for entering and exiting on your trades. We will be also looking at today's economic calendar and also the DXY dollar index level. So I am in 30 minutes time DXY dollar index, and when we look at the current trend, you already know that it was on a very nice downtrend, falling steeply, and currently it has taken support at the level of 95.226, and from this level it has started to move on a sideways. So currently it is testing this resistance level. Only when it breaks this resistance level, we can expect a bullish trend to start. Currently it is sort of a consolidation which is going on in dollar index. When we look at the moving average also, this is 100 moving average. It is pointing on a downside, which means overall it is on a downside. When we look at the trend also, it is forming into a very nice symmetric triangle pattern, which means there is no direction in the market for now. So if it breaks this level, the next level of resistance is going to be around 95.86. Let us analyze the economic calendar. In Australian dollar, we had NBA business confidence, so high level impact. The results have already been announced. Then coming down, in JPY we don't have any high impacting news. We have a medium impact news at 1:15 PM. Then as we scroll down, you can notice that on Canadian dollar also at 7 o'clock in the evening we have high impact news. As we scroll down also, at 7 o'clock we have US dollar related news, medium impact and high impact. So plan your trades accordingly. Let us start with the analysis. I am in daily time frame now. As we already know, the current price action is still trading within a symmetric triangle pattern, and within this symmetric triangle pattern it was on a very nice bullish trend and took resistance at the resistance level of 1849 and started its bearish trend and took support at the support level of 1780, and currently when we look at the price action, it is on a very nice bullish trend. From this area of support and resistance, the price action moved to the next level of resistance and support. Currently the resistance level of 1829 and 1812 will be acting as a resistance and supports. Previously when we look at these levels, this level has been holding very strongly. So we can expect the price action to trend on the bullish trend, take resistance at the resistance level of 1829, then to bounce back. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect a further continuation of this bullish trend. And also we have the symmetric triangle pattern resistance line running over here. So we can expect the price to get rejected at this level and to bounce back. So these are all the support and resistance levels for the current price action. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, the price was trading within a very nice bullish channel pattern. We know it from the daily time frame also. Then it broke this bullish channel pattern and tested the trend line or the support level of the daily time frame. Then it is in a bullish trend for now. So I have drawn the channel pattern or the resistance area which was acting as a support earlier. So currently when we notice the price action, it is testing this resistance area over here which was acting as a support previously, and only when it manages to break this resistance area, we can expect a further continuation of this bullish trend. So this resistance and support area will be very important point to decide on whether the bullish trend is going to continue or trend reversal is going to happen in this currency pair. And currently the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame, and the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the past price action in 30 minutes time frame, this resistance line was respected, and every time when the price action tested this resistance line, it had a trend reversal. Now the price action has breached this resistance line and it trying to break this resistance area from the hourly time frame. This area will be very strong resistance area because it is from the higher time frame. Even if the price action breaches this resistance area, we have the higher time frame resistance levels also. So we can expect the price action go and test this resistance level and the price action to bounce back and take support on this green support line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently I can see that the price action is trying to form a double top pattern. If it succeeds to form this double top pattern, we can expect a trend reversal in this currency pair. But presently it is in a very nice bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the trend of the market in 5 minutes time frame, it was on a very nice bullish trend and took resistance from the hourly time frame channel pattern or the resistance level. And then currently price action is moving in a sideways. Since this is a 5 time frame, the trend will be changing very frequently. So always follow the higher time frame trend lines and decide on your entry and exit based on the higher time frames. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame, and currently price action is in a sideways momentum because there is less trade volume. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.